America. And today, me and my boy Matt are we're gonna do some coronavirus hunting. I wonder what that could be. No, we're gonna go turkey hunting right now, and the coronavirus pandemic is going on. So, to you, our fellow subscribers, we hope you're staying safe and stocked up on food. And this is a great way if you don't want to risk it going in the store. Of course, we're legal. We've got tags and licenses and all that good stuff. But we're going to the grocery store in the woods today. And we're going to be hunting the elusive tom turkey.
We're going to kill some.
I'm going to kill something. This fat bastard was up at 2:30 this morning. I got a text at 5 o'clock. I woke up to my sexy wife. Hey, baby. And then I look at my phone and it says, good morning. Get your fat, ugly ass up. It's time to kill something. Is that motivational or what, guys?
Super motivational, dude.
I'm pretty motivated.
And guess what the redneck bought? He bought all the beans at the market. He bought like 150 pounds worth of black-eyed peas and beans. And he bought like 50 pounds of ham a couple days ago.
20-pound bags of rice. Yeah, Redneck stocked up, guys. So I hope you were able to do the same. It's unfortunate, you know. I was in the store and people are going for like $2 top ramen soups. And I start looking at the pile of beans. And this one woman, she's like, hey, you can see the look on her face. That guy's smart. She grabbed 2 bags of beans. Redneck didn't mess around. I got a family to feed, guys. I grabbed the whole pile. And a guy in the store was like, that man's got a family to feed. And I said, you're damn right, buddy. So, do what you got to do to stay alive.
And I got to sit in the blind with this guy all day. Fun.
I've been eating shrimp fried rice. Let's see, last night I had, my wife's from Kentucky, guys. So she makes the most awesome collard greens you ever had in your life. I had collard greens, black-eyed peas, pork chops, and shrimp fried rice. Because we eating good in the neighborhood during these times of uncertainty.
Now it's killing time, guys. We're heading on out to some private property that we got from a guy we know. So we're really blessed with that. It's turkey season, baby. It's time to kill something.
It's slightly raining out a little bit, but you know what? We're going to be in a hunting blind.
We got the decoys, we got the FJ loaded up, we got the compound bows, and we got to prove my father wrong. He says we're the worst hunters he knows. So we got to kill something, prove him wrong today.
But we're the most comfortable hunters, you know. We got the jet boil. We're going to be making coffee inside the shack. It's going to be all good. And once we break the ice, guys, it's going to be off the hook. I got my wife okay with, I'm breaking her in with, I'm going to hang a turkey fan up. Next is going to be a bear's head. And what else we got? Oh, elk. Hopefully elk.
Yeah, we're going to Arizona.
So we got some hunting trips and videos planned for you guys, and we just want to let you know that we appreciate you all, and stay safe out there and stay tuned.
So we out here right now, and the redneck's making a belt. But check out our setup, guys.
Fuck yeah, dude. That sounds pretty good, guys. This is the redneck's first fucking turkey calling trip. First time being in a hunting blind.
So the redneck never surprises me. I'm in here calling for turkey and he forgot his release already. So he had to walk back to the truck. Trying to scare our game away. What the hell? This fucker just fell down. What the hell, dude?
Hey, I'm glad I fucking practiced that right now, guys. I wanted to see how pulling the bow back would do. And if the herd of turkeys was there right now, we'd have been fucked. I probably would have shot an arrow right through the top of the fucking tent. So stay tuned.
What the fuck? Get your ass up, dude. I'm over here calling him in, making it sound good right now, and he's making all this kind of noise, guys.
Hey, he's got the good spot, guys. I'm on like a fucking hill.
Fat ass.
It's Redneck's first time calling, guys. Hell yeah. This thing sounds hella good.
It does.
It's coffee time. We got the automatic French press. While we are wanting some Christian crank.
Did you just say Christian?
Oops. Sorry, guys.
I'm gonna pray for you, dude.
And look at this.
Damn, you're making hell noise, dude.
Not bad.
So I'm gonna let this fat bastard make some coffee real quick while I try to call some Turks in.
Remember, 6 feet apart, guys.
Yep, 6 feet.
Hey, guys. Today I forgot a lighter. The redneck doesn't have a lighter. But guess what? We're about to start the camp stove.
He smokes and forgot a damn lighter. How do you smoke cigarettes and forget a lighter?
Because I don't smoke cigarettes when I hang out with you. Here, you want to get this?
I appreciate it.
Take 2.
Oh, we're using this one. Come on now. Did you pour all the water out, dude?
No.
He fell down. He knocks this over. Clumsy as hell.
I gotta get good at this.
Round 2.
All right, guys. No more fucking
You're noisy as hell, dude.
My bad.
But we're hunting, dude. This guy. There you go.
A waterproof match.
Let's play a game. Let's don't talk to each other at all.
So guess what just happened? He burnt the shit out of himself. But we got coffee.
Check out this camp stove, guys. It's a French press. So we're gonna go from bam to bam.
So Henry Board spent about an hour and 15 minutes, and he finally shut it up and ain't been talking.
You know what sucks, guys? When you get fucking coffee grounds in your dentures. That's alright though, we still on. Hey guys. My chair's on a hill sinking. But it's a good thing I got a hatchet with me. So I put this hatchet under the leg. That way it's not sinking. That's tip of the day from a backwoodsman.
So he's already eaten 3 Twinkies, 2 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and now he's eating, what is that? String cheese.
String cheese, guys. Gotta stay fueled up. It's hard to sit in one place.
Definition of fat bastard.
What do you think of that though, guys? We could be holed up in the house, which isn't bad. Or we could be holed up out here, making coffee. Listen to that. So hopefully we'll be, if I get a turkey heart, guys, cooking that bitch in here and eating it. So we'll do a live catch and cook turkey heart. Oh, hot coffee in the fucking booth. Son of a bitch.
You are clumsy as hell today, dude.
Look at my boots like steaming, dude. That's why you go with waterproof boots, guys.
We had to get out of the blind and stretch. We're going for a little walk right now around the property and see if we can walk up on something. My legs are hurting sitting in there. Oh, yeah. Look at that bad boy right there.
Check this out, guys.
Wow.
Just kidding, man.
guys hear that? The redneck thought that was a turkey.
Sounds like close enough for me. Decent cousin.
I let him know it's a chicken. Rooster.
Fuck, dude. I'll make a chicken pot pie, baby.
Oh, yeah. So my prediction where the turkey are right now, they're probably back by the blind humping the decoys. What you think, Redneck?
That's a good possibility. But my arrow's gonna be humping that turkey.
I love your camouflage, dude.
Well, I'm wearing camouflage under this. I broke that cheap camouflage jacket I got.
Getting our exercise in right now.
All I gotta do is behind your fat ass and I'm good.
Wow, dude, wow. It's part of the game, guys. You go out, you keep going out, and sometimes you see them, and sometimes you don't. But you gotta put in that work.
Fucking nice to be walking around right now.
Hell yeah.
We're out shopping, guys.
Shopping for that organic turkey breast.
Costco of the woods.
What are you doing?
This, my friends, is Charmin of the woods. It's like having a disinfectant wipe and toilet paper all wrapped in one. And when you're done, bam.
You're done. Oh, wow. So we're back in the blind. It's time to hang out for as long as possible.
That one's good.
Sounds good, yeah. Let's see if the redneck can reel him in. So we finally heard a turkey. We're not sure how far it was, but we heard one for sure.
It's going down, guys.
So hunt report. Nothing came in, but we'll put a trail cam by the pond so then we know exactly what's coming in and what time.
Hell yeah, guys. The hunt's just getting started. It can take days or weeks, but we're gonna do our research and find out. I'm gonna do some more research on what turkeys need, where they want to sleep, where they want to eat, and where they get their water, and we'll be back. And we'll slaughter one, or two, or three.
So we got the trail cam up right here at this pond. See if any bucks come in or whatever, pigs, hogs, see what comes in. Still got a little bit of hunting left, guys, on the way out. And I'll walk through some poison oak. Was that poison oak I walked through?
Huh?
Was that poison oak or poison ivy?
Poison oak.
It was poison something, shit.
Poison some shit, is that what you said?
Yeah,
We're gonna...
yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
What up, guys? So, let's see. We left at 5:45 this morning. Well, 6:15 this morning. Now 12:23. We've been at it for a couple hours, and we saw
a couple hours.
We saw a couple tree squirrels and stuff, but it was slow today. But you know what? That's all right. We got to get out, goof off, have fun, and hone our skills, guys. And sitting in one spot for 3 and 4 hours, being quiet, that's a skill. So, yeah. We've got the trail cam up, and we're going to come back who knows? Probably in a couple days. Or go to BLM in a couple days. There's not a whole lot to do. Being as coronavirus is going on, so.
You picking your face right now, dude, on camera?
Not bad, dude. I had like some food on my face or something. Anyway, I hope you guys like these videos, and one of these times it's gonna be a freaking. We're gonna be shooting fish in a barrel, guys. Just hang in there. 2020.